If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So I know I've been gone for a while. It's because I've been running out of content, trying to juggle my recent AP exams that are coming up and kind of just studying overall in general, and also preparing for a vendor event that's coming up in June 12th. If you check out my Instagram, I have all the details there, and I'll be updating you guys on how to prepare for my vendor event. Hi guys, so it's kind of dark, but today is June 13th, but I'm going to be posting this tomorrow, which is June 14th. The vendor event was Saturday and it was really fun. I'm going to be posting the vendor video right after, the day after tomorrow. I'm just showing you guys my banner, and it was supposed to be posted last week, but I'm showing you guys my banner. And yeah, actually right now I am starting to make glosses and things like that for the event. I definitely want to vlog for the event, so definitely keep that in mind. By the title, today my banner came in for my event that I spent so long designing. Like literally I had like 10 different people approve the design like 10 different times. Also guys, I never ended up using my retractable banner because it was too big and there was not enough space. So just enjoy me unpacking the banner for just show. So I'm going to show you guys the package. It just came in. I'm going to show you guys the design, and yeah, I can't wait to open it. Going to get the package. I already halfway cut it open, so I'm just going to take it out. I think I have to assemble it, so I think I'll do that off camera. Oh, this is definitely, I gotta assemble this. I gotta assemble it. It doesn't seem hard, so I'm just gonna assemble it right now. Okay. I don't know if it's like backwards or like you can't even like see it. It's really long and lengthy, but this is the whole thing. It looks like, it took me a while to figure out. I didn't really have to assemble nothing. Yeah, but that's the end of the video. I might make a vlog during the event if I still have life left in my phone. Although this is a new phone. But I'm gonna make a video. The event is June 12th, so check out my Instagram if you want more information about it. This looks so nice and colorful. Looks so nice and colorful. But I'm gonna like include some pictures at the end so you can see like the top and the bottom of it, because it's kind of really long to see the whole thing. If you want to see more content like this, don't worry, I'm gonna start posting regularly. I just have to find something to post for you guys. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support a teen entrepreneur, don't forget to check out my site and the link in my bio. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.